So with the SketchUp model, just like I said before, I use the setback line to align this with the SketchUp site model. In the SketchUp site model, which I'm going to open, here it is. I'll put it into a working model. I do always keep, I didn't really explain that, but I have one scene which is called the working model, and that's where the shadows are shut off, fog's shut off, so it's just quick to maneuver around to render. So you can see the setback line of the house model right here. The way I locate it is a lot of times when I first import the site or the home model into the site, I'll put it on this lower plane here, and this is all the graphic information that's brought in from the AutoCAD file from the surveyor. And then I will just align it about a point and rotate to get it in place, then move it above on the blue axis until I hit an elevation that I want to establish, for instance, of the garage. This home does not right now, at this point, have all the grading modeled, with the exception of maybe some areas where I'm doing a little bit of retaining. But I will typically go in and model a lot of the drainage swales that will occur around the house. An example of that I do have open is this file here, where it's a much more complex site. You can see there's a lot of topography here, and I have a lot of the grading established for the driveway as well. And again, these using the standard templates, it's kind of nice because you have uniformity between all of your projects with regards to what the scenes are. Sometimes we'll add different scenes depending upon a development that I'm submitting to and accessing which views to get. So I'll get these views, which I'll add last as an example. These are showing specific perspective corners that I will use to present to a design review committee. But the other elements are all identical with the site plan, footprint, property line setback, and so on. So all of these, once you have those arranged within this model, whether it's the site or the floor plan, you then have everything all set to move into the templates that I've set up for in layout, and everything is ready to be modeled into layout, which we'll talk about next.